kids had fun painting this car that's going to get smashed up. Oh, those don't look like kids. Okay, I'm at the entry number 3 of the Pine Ridge Mall. There's 3 main entries. This is the last one. And I think there's a couple more cars inside that came in this morning. I'm not hearing any mall music at present. So you guys saw these on my quick walk around last night after they were painstakingly brought in and staged over a 2-hour period. Let's go look at find the cars that came in this morning. Uh-oh, there's one of the judges. He's also the organizer. So you have to be nice to him. Now, see this car? If you watch my staging video made last night, they had this down at entry 2, which is where the cars come in. And they were nitpicking where they wanted it, down there by entry 2. And then this morning, they told the owners, move it down to center court. Here's the one that came in this morning. And here's a model car display. The cars that are not in the display cases belong to this guy here, the wannabe rock star crazy guy. But these in the display cases, these are mine. And I have videos of that one. I built that last Christmas. Oh, let's get back to the real cars. Ooh, look at it. He didn't have the hood up last night. They need more lowriders. Here's one that came in this morning. And there's a couple over here that came in this morning. Oh no. Japanese. And right next to the rice burner is a beer burner. Yeah. Oh, it's getting crowded. Ooh, it's the Evil Dead. Oh, it's not Halloween yet. Oh no, it's the Evil Money Bank. This guy just doesn't want to wake up. I don't know. He's been here all night. Looking for the newbies. At least the mall music isn't too loud. I think there's at least one newbie down here. There it is. Came in this morning. And apparently it has an insect infestation. See if maybe they moved that Auburn because they had. Nope, there's no. Yeah, this is where they had the Auburn last night. This is entry 2 with the large doors that can be moved to allow vehicles to come in.